HCTI stock analysis and HCTI stock prediction. What I'll be breaking down in this short and brief 1 minute video is showing you my exact play. Especially since I'm just observing healthcare triangle. This is like, okay, do this, do that, bro. I'm just sticking to my rules that I've refined. I'm a very process driven person, you know. I've done well over 42,000 videos over 5 years, so I've personally seen what's printing and what's not. But like generally speaking, man, only if there is a second break I'm looking to take it further up, and this is second break above 3 cents. It's not that far, you know, from where we are now, but it's a good amount. And HCTI, I do have previous receipts as well. You can see like, yeah, 11 results, and there's really nothing else that I'll be adding here. I would just stick to my rules. And if you want the sauce and all that good jazz, and how to get to those 5-10k months, just click the first link in the description. Get the sauce. It's risk-free. 1,200 people have gotten it already. Goodbye.